I'm Luke Timmerman, the founder and editor of Timmerman Report, here at the BioCEO and Investor Conference in New York. With me is Mark Timney, the CEO of Purdue Pharma. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So, Mark, Purdue Pharma is a private company. It's big. It's been around for a long, long time. Sells pain relievers. You haven't been here in the past. Why come to this conference this year?
Well, BioCEO is a great conference for us. We've essentially changed the business model, Luke. So we've gone from being a very internally driven organization to now one which is focused on building external relationships, either through acquisition, licensing, or partnering. And this is a great conference for us to do that. As I say, we're flipping the business model, which is going to allow us to hopefully diversify the company. And although we're still very much focused in pain, we would like to diversify into other therapeutic areas such as close to pain, which is CNS, but also into new opportunistic areas. And what a better place than to meet some potential partners.
So the opioid pain reliever market, I mean, this has been bread and butter for Purdue for a long, long time. But we have a crisis in the country around addiction to these things. So what are you guys doing to play your part and not contribute to an exacerbation of that, while also growing your business?
Yeah, this is an important question for us and something we take very seriously. Fundamentally, we believe, first and foremost, the right patient at the right time should get our medications. We don't want inappropriate prescribing, let me say that. Secondly, this is a very complex issue. It's multifactorial and is going to take many factors and stakeholders working together to try to solve this. For us, we've taken a leadership position, and we've taken that leadership position over the last 15 years working with law enforcement, DEA, FDA, even the White House and their drug control policy unit. And what we've tried to do is focus on how do we stop the abuse of our current medicines. So we've been focused on abuse-deterrent opioids. And if you look into the market today, there are 6 abuse-deterrent opioids that are approved. Purdue has 3, and I believe we had the first 2. So this is very important for us, but it's only a very small part. The next part is you try to get after some of the areas where you've really got strong abuse, which is oral abuse. And that's going to take time, energy, and money, but many people working together to see if we can solve that. We're not walking away from this issue. This is a very, very important issue for us. But we do believe if we work together with key stakeholders, we can start to make a difference.
So what are some of the things on your shopping list? Interesting areas in which you might diversify?
As I say, pain is still very important to us. So we would look just outside of opioids. And we recently did a deal last year with Pharma and took on their TREK-A program, which is outside of opioids, but a novel, hopefully first-in-class, best-in-class pain compound. But outside of pain, we'd look in the CNS area, movement disorders, epilepsy. These are areas which are very close for us, and it's an adjacency that makes a lot of sense. Then there's a third leg to the stool, which is opportunistic. We've been building and rebuilding the company in terms of its capabilities for the last 2 years. We believe we're now structured in such a way that we can go into a new therapeutic area. But a new question, or a key question for me, is where is the science going? And therefore I've got that flexibility, and I'd like to utilize that flexibility to meet with partners.
Good luck.
All right,
Thanks for being here.